Know that we're gonna have to clean this very, very, very well. I've already used a soap water solution. This is just alcohol. All right, and because we're using a 3M vinyl for this customer to match his pinstripe, we're gonna go with just a little bit of adhesive promoter to give us even better of a chance of this vinyl sticking to this plastic. You don't have to use a lot of this. I'm just gonna wipe it right in the area where I know the vinyl is gonna go, all the way across the front. Really, one swipe of this is plenty.